Hello everyone, today question is you are given a directed graph with n nodes and m edges. Each node has a lowercase letter assigned to it. For any path, the path value is defined as the maximum frequency of a letter on a path. You are supposed to find out the maximum value of a path. If the maximum value can be infinitely large, then return -1. Example, if some path has letter xy, xxx, y, z, z, then value of this path will be 4. Because the maximum frequency of any letter is 4. The ith character of the string is assigned to ith node. Let's see first test case. 3 means number of node and this 3 means length of string. I make a graph here 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 1 to 3, and these are the value assigned to particular node. We can see here the maximum value of path will be 2 because in this path 1, 2, 3 the maximum frequency is 2, which is of A, and in this test case we can see that there is a cycle between 1, 2, 4 and 1. So our answer will be very large, hence we will return -1. Let's see the code. First of all, we need to check that if there is a cycle in a graph or not. If there is a cycle, we directly return -1 because our maximum value will be infinitely large uh, here. Then after that, I make a graph here. Then check for cycle. If there is a cycle, then we can directly return -1. Then I make frequency array list which store the frequency of each character in our path. Then apply BFS here, DFS sorry. After applying BFS, first of all we need to increase the frequency of node which came across in our path. Here we increase the frequency of each character which came across in our path. Then we find the maximum value. After finding maximum value, we check for its neighbor. Then apply for loop here. And in last, we do backtrack to explore all of its possibility. Thank you.